Hi students, this is Varsha Max. So concise from the book. Okay, so exercise 21b trigonometry identities. Question number 1. Cos A by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A equal to sin A plus cos A. Okay, so before doing the sum, you have to know the reciprocals. Cosecant, it is sine reciprocal, secant is equal to cos reciprocal, cot is equal to 1 by tan. Okay. So tan and cot, this is special. Tan can be written as sine by cos. Cot is the reciprocal, so cot theta is equal to cos by sine. Okay. So algebraic identity a plus b the whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab and a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab and a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so you are going to use this identity in this sum. Okay, students. So now go to the problem. So take a LHS. So see, that is cos A in the numerator. Okay, so in the denominator 1 minus tan A. So for tan A we can write sin by cos. So sin A by cos A. Okay, plus this is sin A by 1 minus, see, this is cot A. So we can write as cot theta is equal to cos A by sin A. Okay, students. See, you may have a doubt. Okay, cot theta can be write 1 by tan. Why you are writing cos by A? Why you are taking this? Why not writing this? Because see your RHS. Okay, so whenever this proving sums, you have to see the RHS also. Here sin cos. So you have to change tan theta and cot theta into sin into cos. Okay, so that is why you are replacing sin by cos. Okay, students. So this is your doubt. Okay, so that is why I am saying. Okay, so do you understand? Yes. So now you just take LCM or cross multiplication in the denominator. Definitely we will get your answer. Okay. See, what is the next step? I am writing here. See, this is cos A in the numerator. See, how will you take your LCM? Just cross multiplication or LCM. So any of the method, both are right. See, this and this. Okay, so what do you get? 1 into cos A. So cos A minus sin A divided by 1 minus cos A. Sorry, 1 into cos A. Okay, cos A. Okay, plus sin A by, okay, see, take same LCM method, that is sin A into sin A. Okay, students. So this is what we get, sin A minus cos A by sin A. Okay, so do you understand this step, ma? Yes. Okay, now what is the next step? See, cos A, just write the numerator. Okay, so this is a fraction. Okay, so just a reciprocal, take the reciprocal. So it means the green, okay, it gets reciprocal. So cos by cos A minus sin A. So this is just multiplication sign. Okay, plus. See, what is the next step? Yes, sin A by, see, take this reciprocal. Okay, students, green color coming reciprocal. So take this reciprocal, this fraction. So sin A by sin A minus cos A. Just we are writing the reciprocals. Okay, in the denominator. Okay, so now just multiply cos square theta. So cos square A by this is cos A minus sin A, okay, plus, so this is sin square A by this is sin A minus cos A. Okay, but the denominators are not equal. It is just different by a sign. Okay, so you have to, we can change both are equal. So what shall we do? We can eliminate either of the x. Okay, you can take the minus outside. Okay, so see, this is cos square A. So this is cos A minus sin A. So here in the denominator, see, I am going to write, okay, see, to understand, how can we write sin A minus cos A. So I am going to take the minus outside. Okay, students, so how will you take the minus? Minus, so if you take minus common, the sin A is plus. Okay, so this will become minus, this will become plus. So you can just interchange. So that is cos minus sin A. So that is what we are going to do in this denominator. Okay, so we are just taking the minus outside. Okay, see, this is plus, so sin square A, you are taking minus outside. So take your minus, this is minus. So what do you get? This sin A become minus, cos A become plus. So plus, write here plus cos A and minus sin A. Okay, students. Yes, now write the numerator cos square A by cos A minus sin A. This minus you can write here. Okay, plus into minus, minus. So minus, this is sin square A by cos A minus sin A. Okay, students, do you understand, ma? Yes. So now see, the denominators are equal. So we change the denominator into equal by taking the minus outside. Okay. So now you can write cos square A minus sin square A by cos A minus sin A. Okay, students, see, this is of the algebraic identity. What is that identity? A square minus b square. So what is our a square minus b square? So that can be write a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so what is our a? Cos. So cos a plus sin a and cos a minus sin a. The denominator already cos a minus sin a is here. So we can cancel this data. Okay, so what do you get? Finally we get cos A plus sin A. So that is our RHS. Okay, students, that's all. We got our RHS. Okay, so do you understand all the steps? Okay, so this is a very simple sum, but taking minus outside, so many of the students couldn't understand here, so they have a many doubt here itself. Okay, so that is why I am writing again. Okay, so shall I say again, ma? Yes. So this is the sum, very simple sum. Okay, so 1 by cos by 1 minus tan A plus sin A by 1 minus cot A. Okay, so tan A, cot A, we are going to change only tan and cot. Okay, because already cos and sin are there. So for tan, you have to write sin by cos. For cot, you have to write cos by sin. Okay, so you just numerator, keep the numerator as it is. Okay, so in all the steps, numerator is a silent one. We are doing all the process in the denominator. Okay, so just taking LCM. Okay, so what is the LCM? Just cross, cross, cross. Otherwise, you can multiply cos, cos. Okay, numerator and the denominator. So we get cos A minus sin A by cos A. Okay, here we get cos sin A minus cos A by sin A. So here numerator there, or in the denominator we have a fraction. So whenever you have a fraction by fraction, denominator fraction should be taken as reciprocal. Okay, so you have to write this reciprocal. So cos by cos A minus sin A. So this is sin A by sin minus cos A. So just multiplying. So still the denominators are not equal. Okay, so we have to equalize that denominator. So we are taking minus outside. So how to take this minus outside? So when you take minus outside, sin become minus and cos become plus. Okay, so you write here. So take your minus here. So this is, you can, now the denominators are equal, so you can write one time. Okay, so cos square minus sin square. So this is of the form a square minus b square. So you can write a plus b, a minus b, cancel, we get our RHS. Okay students, so do you understand the step ma? Yes, so please, if you have a doubt, comment in the comment box. Okay students, I hope you all understand the sum. Okay, thank you students.